Shawty really bad. Words of a frame, something like a bat. Well, want your love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going down, in and out, turn around. Shawty really bad. Words of a frame, something like a bat. Well, want your love.
Hey, it's your boy Snagger, man. Back in another video on YouTube, man. So today, guys, you know what I'm saying, I'll be showing y'all a shoe review of Nike Air Max Miami Vice edition, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna flip around for y'all young boys so y'all can see the shoe, and I'm gonna do a little review on it. So let's go, man. Hey, we hit 410 subscribers, man. Let's go to 500, bro. It's really not that hard, bro. We're gonna keep grinding, uploading videos, man. So we're gonna do more reactions and shoe reviews and everything. So I see y'all young boys on the side, man. Let's go, man. And I'm gonna get a fresh haircut so I can look more decent. So yeah, love y'all young boys, man. Let's go. Peace out. Got my first pair of Nikes on the channel, man. So yeah, my first Nike Air Maxes, basically. You know, I've been dealing with Jordans for a long time, so I'm probably gonna stop with Jordans. Probably, it's a big probably. But yeah, let me show you. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Know what I'm saying, man? Ooh. Look at that. Look at that pink, blue. The pink brings the shoe out more. So yeah, you know, the bottom black, pink on the bottom. Got the shirt that go with the shoes perfectly. You know what I'm saying? Big crispy, you know, big drip. Don't stutter drip me, you know what I'm saying, man? And that's really it, y'all. That's really it, though. It's really, you know, just Nike Air Max, but it's my first pair. So, yeah, man. Like the video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so y'all can see all my videos and all my good content that I post out for you young boys. Let's hit 500 subscribers, man. Let's get it. Let's go, man. Peace.